there is a familiar food. And if eaten the right way, many women have escaped declining physiology, regained rosy, glowing skin, and most importantly, restored happiness in their married life. I'll reveal it in just a few moments. Dear friends, once women step into their 30s, the body begins to change silently. Estrogen, the hormone often called the golden key for maintaining health, beauty, and sexual vitality, gradually decreases. When estrogen drops, the skin loses its glow, hair becomes dry and brittle, the body feels tired, and even more concerning, desire also fades, causing married life to lose its spark. On top of that, work stress, insomnia, poor diet, and fatty foods accelerate the body's decline, leaving the mind drained. This isn't just an individual problem. Endocrinology experts have been warning about it for a long time. The good news is that both modern nutritional science and traditional knowledge affirm this. As long as you choose the right foods and eat wisely, the body can naturally regulate hormones, improve physiology, preserve beauty, uplift the spirit, and maintain family happiness. This is the most natural, safe, practical, and sustainable solution. Before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the latest videos from LiveWell every day. Every video here is simple and easy to understand, helping you take care of your health naturally, without complexity or expense. If you've ever tried one of these foods, or if you're wondering how to eat them correctly and effectively, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to respond and walk alongside you, day by day, on the journey to strong and lasting health. And right now, let's talk about 7 golden foods that enhance female physiology, familiar and easy to find, yet powerful in helping women stay youthful, confident, and deeply loved by their husbands. Dear friends, the very first food is soybeans and soybean sprouts. Known as the queen of women's health, inside these tiny beans lies a precious compound called phytoestrogen, a plant-derived estrogen. Medical research shows that phytoestrogens have a structure similar to the body's natural estrogen. When consumed regularly, they help balance hormones, reduce vaginal dryness, improve skin smoothness, and maintain natural attractiveness. Soybeans and soybean sprouts can be prepared in many ways. You can drink a warm glass of soy milk, use soybean sprout powder, or simply enjoy familiar dishes like tofu and bean sprouts. Experts recommend the best times to drink soy milk are in the morning or afternoon, when the digestive system is active and the body absorbs nutrients more effectively. In the morning, a warm glass of soy milk provides energy and supports hormonal balance, while in the afternoon it can replace greasy snacks. However, it's not advisable to drink it right before bedtime, as it may cause indigestion for some people. The right dosage is also very important. On average, just 1 to 2 glasses of soy milk per day, or about 40 to 50 grams of soybean sprouts, is enough for the body to absorb and bring out its benefits. This is a safe level, just right for women over 30, especially during perimenopause, to improve vitality, keep their skin bright and healthy, and maintain a youthful spirit. However, not everyone should consume a lot. Women with uterine fibroids, ovarian cysts, or endometriosis should consult their doctor before use, as adding estrogen could stimulate tumor growth. Those with hypothyroidism should also be cautious, since soy may interfere with iodine absorption by the thyroid gland. For example, Ms. Lan, 42, from Bin Guang, shared that she often suffered from insomnia, dryness, and gradually avoided intimacy with her husband. After visiting a doctor, she was advised to add soybean sprouts to her diet. Just 3 months of drinking 2 glasses of soy milk daily made a huge difference. She felt lighter, her skin looked rosier, and most importantly, she regained her confidence in her married life. Her husband even playfully joked, "You're just like you were when we first got married," a clear testament to the amazing effects of this familiar yet valuable food. Dear friends, The next food is oysters and other zinc-rich seafood. Oysters have long been called the love elixir. Not only beneficial for men but also offering great advantages for women. Oysters are loaded with zinc, an essential mineral directly involved in producing sex hormones, especially estrogen and progesterone. Two hormones crucial for female vitality. Zinc also strengthens the immune system, slows aging, and helps the skin look smoother while keeping the mind more youthful. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that women with balanced zinc levels in their blood tend to have more stable menstrual cycles, fewer hormonal disorders, and more harmonious married lives. Beyond oysters, fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and sardines are also rich in omega-3 and vitamin D. These nutrients boost blood circulation, reduce inflammation, improve mood, and naturally increase libido. This is why the Mediterranean diet, rich in fish and seafood, is often recommended by nutritionists for middle-aged women to maintain health and vitality. Seafood is best added to the menu about 2 to 3 times per week. Ideally at dinner, a meal with grilled oysters, pan-seared salmon, or a tuna salad not only tastes delicious but also provides a powerful source of zinc and omega-3. Women over 30, especially during perimenopause or menopause, or those who often feel fatigued and experience low libido, should definitely include these foods. On the other hand, those with gout, seafood allergies, or liver and kidney conditions should limit them and consider safer alternatives like pumpkin seeds, cashews, or whole grains, which are also rich in zinc. Clapperboard. The third food I'd like to share is the avocado. Avocado, a familiar fruit, is considered one of the golden secrets for improving both female vitality and beauty. Avocados are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant often called the vitamin of beauty and female vitality. Vitamin E protects cells from aging, enhances blood flow to tissues, including reproductive organs, which helps the body feel more energized, the skin glow rosier, and intimacy more fulfilling. In addition to vitamin E, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, the healthy fats that balance hormones while keeping skin and hair hydrated. A study in the Journal of Nutrition even showed that women who regularly consumed foods high in vitamin E and healthy fats like avocados tended to have more stable hormonal profiles and fewer perimenopausal symptoms. The best time to eat avocado is as an afternoon snack, when the body absorbs healthy fats more effectively and it can replace less healthy snacking habits. A low-sugar avocado smoothie or a few fresh slices in a salad is an excellent choice. Since avocados are high in calories, half to 1 small avocado per day is just right for effectiveness. Avocados are especially suitable for women over 30, particularly those experiencing dryness, fatigue, dull skin, or perimenopausal symptoms. On the other hand, those with fatty liver, obesity, or high blood lipids should eat them in moderation to avoid excess calories. People prone to allergies or those taking blood-thinning medications should also be cautious, as the vitamin K in avocados may affect the effectiveness of such drugs. Dear friends, the next food may be small, but it carries an incredible nutritional power: flax seeds and black sesame seeds. Flax seeds contain high levels of lignans, a type of natural phytoestrogen with a structure similar to estrogen. Because of this, they can help regulate hormones, ease uncomfortable symptoms during perimenopause, and naturally enhance libido. Not only that, flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain and cardiovascular health, boosting mood, reducing stress, and relieving fatigue. Meanwhile, black sesame seeds have long been regarded in traditional medicine as a food that nourishes the blood and supports yin energy. With their abundance of vitamin E, calcium, iron, and zinc, black sesame seeds not only slow down aging but also help keep hair dark, skin bright, the body flexible, and intimacy more fulfilling. Nutrition experts recommend consuming flax seeds or black sesame seeds in the morning or as an afternoon snack. as this is when the body absorbs nutrients most efficiently without creating excess energy. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons per day are enough. You can grind flax seeds and sprinkle them into yogurt, salads, or cereal, while black sesame seeds can be roasted and added to rice, desserts, porridge, or baked goods. Of course, not everyone should consume them in large amounts. Those with digestive issues such as frequent bloating or diarrhea should start with small portions to let the body adjust. People with kidney stones or a high risk of them should also limit intake, since flax seeds and black sesame are high in oxalates. And of course, anyone with seed allergies should be extra cautious. But for women over 30, especially those in perimenopause or menopause, or anyone dealing with stress, insomnia, dryness, or fatigue, this is truly an excellent choice for maintaining beauty and vitality. Take the story of Ms. Tuyat, 46. From Quang Nam, she used to suffer from chronic insomnia, hair loss, and dull skin. After receiving advice, she started a simple habit, adding 1 spoonful of ground flax seeds to her morning yogurt, and a few times a week, enjoying black sesame sweet soup. Just 2 months later, she noticed deeper sleep, less hair loss, brighter skin, and most importantly, a more relaxed spirit and greater intimacy in her marriage. Clearly, sometimes small and ordinary seeds like flax and sesame can become a natural secret to help women stay youthful, confident, and happy. The 5th food. Nuts rich in vitamin E, such as almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. Though small, these nuts are packed with valuable nutrients for women's health. Vitamin E has long been called the vitamin of beauty and vitality, thanks to its strong antioxidant effects that protect cells from premature aging, while also supporting the body's production of female sex hormones. This results in smoother skin, stronger hair, and most importantly, a noticeable improvement in intimacy. A study published in the Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology showed that women who supplemented with vitamin E regularly for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in vaginal dryness and reported feeling more excited and satisfied during intimacy. These nuts are also rich in unsaturated fats, magnesium, and zinc, all of which contribute to balanced hormones and better mood. The best time to eat nuts is as a mid-morning or afternoon snack, when the body can absorb the energy effectively without risking weight gain. Just a small handful, about 20 to 30 grams per day, is enough. However, women with obesity, high cholesterol, or nut allergies should be mindful, choosing unsalted, non-fried nuts and adjusting portion sizes appropriately. For women over 30, especially during perimenopause, or for those often stressed or dealing with dryness, nuts are a safe, natural, and very effective source of nourishment. Dear friends, the next foods may seem like nothing more than common spices in the kitchen, but they actually hold incredible benefits for women's vitality: ginger and cinnamon. Ginger contains a special compound called gingerol, which stimulates blood circulation, warms the body, and boosts energy. When blood circulation improves, female reproductive organs receive more oxygen and nutrients, which in turn enhances arousal and naturally increases desire. Cinnamon, on the other hand, contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound that helps stimulate hormone production, regulate blood sugar, and reduce fatigue. Together, ginger and cinnamon form a perfect pair, strengthening the body while also enhancing intimacy. Experts recommend that the best time to enjoy ginger and cinnamon is in the evening, about 30 minutes before bedtime. A warm cup of ginger-cinnamon tea not only relaxes the nerves and promotes good sleep, but also supports healthy circulation, keeping the body warm and intimacy closer. A touch of honey can be added for extra flavor and nutrients. Of course, it's important to be mindful. People with stomach ulcers, acid reflux, or pregnant women should avoid consuming too much ginger and cinnamon to prevent digestive discomfort. For healthy individuals, just 1 small cup each evening is enough to feel the benefits. The final food on today's list is antioxidant-rich fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, pomegranates, red grapes, oranges, and kiwis. These fruits are not only delicious and vibrant, but they also provide abundant nutrients that naturally boost women's vitality. They are packed with vitamin C flavonoids and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect cells, slow aging, improve circulation, and stimulate the body to produce serotonin and dopamine. 2. Happiness hormones that enhance mood, pleasure, and intimacy. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine even showed that women who regularly consume flavonoid-rich fruits, particularly strawberries and blueberries, often experience improved desire and fewer sexual dysfunction issues. Pomegranates, in particular, have long been called the fruit of love because they increase blood flow and strengthen heart health. The ideal time to eat fruits is in the morning or after lunch, when the body absorbs vitamins and minerals most effectively. Just 200 to 300 grams of fresh fruit per day, about 1 to 2 servings, is enough to nourish the body, beautify the skin, and support reproductive health. However, it's best to avoid eating too many sweet fruits late at night, as they may cause bloating or disturb sleep. For women over 30, especially those in perimenopause, regularly including antioxidant-rich fruits brings remarkable benefits in maintaining youthfulness, balancing hormones, and preserving natural attractiveness. Dear friends, today I've shared 7 golden foods that enhance women's vitality, from soybeans, zinc-rich seafood, and avocados, to flax seeds and black sesame, vitamin E-rich nuts, ginger and cinnamon, and finally, antioxidant-rich fruits. These are all familiar, easy-to-find foods, but when used correctly, they deliver powerful results, helping women maintain confidence, reproductive health, natural beauty, and most importantly, keeping the flame of family happiness alive. The key takeaway is that you don't need complicated or expensive methods. Just small changes in daily meals are enough for every woman to take care of herself in the most natural and safe way. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to live well every day. Turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below. Let me know which of these foods you've tried, or which ones you'd like me to cover next. Every interaction from you is my motivation to keep sharing practical and relatable health knowledge. I wish you all good health, optimism, family happiness, and a life full of positive energy. See you again in the next video from Live Well Every Day.